Welcome back everyone to another Filmora tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add text elements within your footages. So let's get started right away. Now after you have opened up Filmora and launched your project, you can add clips onto your timeline by importing your media and simply dragging and dropping them. I'm using a stock footage in this example. Now once you have your footage on your timeline, if you wish to add a text, you can click on titles at the top section. Now you will see various different types of text that you can use. You can also find various motion graphic templates within the title template section. Browse through the various presets and you can also click on it to see how it looks within your footage. To add a plain text, you can go into title effects and find your desired plain text effect. Now you can once again drag and drop within the timeline and make sure to add it within the layer above your footage. If you add it under, then the footage will appear over the text. You can now click on the text element, and from the title section, you can make your desired text edit. You can choose from the various different kinds of fonts as well, and define your text size, as well as the color. You can also choose from the various presets that are available underneath to customize your text appearance. Once you have found your desired text style and added your text as well, make sure it is positioned at the correct place within your footage. Now, one final thing that you can do is add animations to your text. Now, with your text selected on the timeline, click on animation at the top section. Now, you can use various different kinds of animations that are available within this menu. You can also change the duration to adjust whether you want the animation to happen slowly or much faster. And that is how easy it is to add texts and titles within your videos on Filmora. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.